Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to do a little clean with me, and I'm going to do a small little skincare routine. So I'm just going to hop straight into that clean with me, and I'll talk to y'all in a bit. start with my skincare routine, I like to start with the Garnier and Micellar cleansing water. During the colder months, I like to use this because it just doesn't dry my face out and it gets rid of all the dirt. Next, I like to go in with the PIXI Glow Tonic. It's just a really light glycolic acid toner, and I really like to use this on my face at night so I can just get that extra clean feeling on my face. So once I'm done with the glycolic acid, I go in with the Liquid Gold Serum from Get Flawless Skin. She is a friend of mine, and y'all, this skin oil will have your face and every part of you glowing. I love it so much. Super moisturizing. And I'll make sure to leave the link down below for that. I definitely recommend it. It's such a great add to any skincare routine. Alright y'all, so that's gonna be it for this clean with me / skincare routine. Thank you so much for watching. If you like these kind of videos, make sure you make sure that you subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.